To replace the chute support on the Cub Cadet Chipper Shredder, you will need a 7/16" wrench and socket and a 3/8" socket. With the chute in the locked position, place a towel at the bottom of the chute to prevent the chute mounting bolts from falling into the impeller housing. Reaching into the chute, use the 7/16" wrench to secure the bolt. Then use the 7/16" socket to unthread the nut. Repeat for the second nut and bolt. With the bolts removed, you can pull the lock rod out to fully release the upper chute. Next, use the 7/16" wrench and socket to remove the two nuts and bolts, securing the lower chute to the support. Use the 3/8" socket to unthread the bolts securing the support to the base, and you can fully remove the old support. Before you install the new chute support, confirm the washers are on the mounting bolts. Align the support on the base, then thread and tighten the bolts to secure. Insert the two bolts which secure the lower chute to the support. The shorter bolt goes in the front. Slide the washer onto the rear bolt, then thread and tighten the nut. Thread and tighten the nut on the front bolt. Align the upper chute on the lower chute, making sure the lock rod is snapped into place. Insert the two mounting bolts from inside the chute, then thread and tighten the nuts. Remove the towel, and the chipper shredder should be ready for use.